Oh, can't get it in. There we go. Alrighty, here we go, guys. Guys, what's going on? So it's been a while since you guys have not seen my face. I don't really sometimes like showing my face because I just don't like the way I look in sometimes. So I just keep it to my feminine hands, my Apple Watch, the product on the table, bada bing, we're all good, you know? But this time is completely very different. I have picked up this dope ass microphone right here. I'm gonna wind up zooming it in so you can see. A lavalier microphone by a company called FiFine, I don't know, FiFine, whatever. Picked this up on Amazon, roughly around 20 bucks, $21. I'll show a picture right here so you can see. It's not half bad. It's basically just a wired microphone that goes straight to your phone, either your iPhone or your Android. Now, before I actually go on ahead and I start talking a little bit more about this, let me actually show you a quick unboxing. All right, so as you saw from that really quick unboxing, is not as much in it besides audio splitter and a adapter for your PC and DSLR, a really nice long extension cord, really cool accessories, which I think it's nice, an orange, two black ones. They came with the black, but I put the red one, which I think it's cool, and an extra little clip so you could, you know, clip to your shirt and stuff. And of course, a really cute case to put everything in it. Listen, I love the smell of fake leather at 7:33 p.m. Okay, so for what it seems like, you can definitely use this for any phone that you want. So any iPhone or any Android, it does seem to be a problem. All I know is with iPhone, it's a big of a hassle in a way because you need to get the little adapter. So the 3.5 millimeter to Lightning. Once you get that, it's straight plug and play, so you don't have to worry about it. I know with Android, you're gonna have to go through a setting in your video settings. You got to change like an external source, so that's a little bit of a hassle, whatever. And it, like me before, when I used to have my Samsung phone, when I try to use one of these before, I was wondering like, yo, why is it not working? Like, why can I not get the, you know, external source, right? And then when it didn't work using the default camera, I had to go on ahead and download another camera app. So it could be a real big pain in the ass just to use one of these on Android. So I think it's best just to use it on an iPhone. Get yourself that adapter, straight plug and play, and you're all good. And it definitely seems like you could possibly use this with any camera, any desktop, any PC. I don't really think there is going to give you any big issue. And with this added extension cord, it's a really cool touch because you could definitely go an extreme far distance and you can still be in front of the camera, which I think is cool. So I'm actually going to unravel this. It's not tangle free, so you know you're going to have to, you know, don't go ham on it like I am. Look at this shit. Look what I just did. So just don't. Okay. Alrighty, here we go. As you can tell, it definitely adds a lot more length. This is freakishly long. Look at that. Very long. So definitely, if you are short of, you know, you need a farther distance from you and the camera, there you go. So I actually wanted to go on ahead and do a quick comparison if it's between the lavalier microphone, the iPhone camera, and my Blue Snowball microphone. Because you know what? I wanted to get one of these personally, only because when I'm doing videos, sometimes it could be a real big pain in the ass to go ahead and have a real big microphone stand with the Blue Snowball microphone is always in the way, and it just makes everything just too compact. I don't like that. So having something like this is pretty nice. When you have a setup like that with a nice microphone and, you know, a microphone stand, that's mostly good to have like a podcast style looking and makes your videos definitely very informational. You know what I'm saying? But with this, I'm so free, I'm so loose, I can move around wherever I want. You know, when I have that little station with my Blue Snowball and the microphone stand, it definitely, you know, keeps me constricted. So you guys are hearing the audio from here right now. Now I'm gonna go ahead and switch to the iPhone microphone. Okay, so right now you should be hearing the quality of the microphone on the iPhone. As you already know, phone microphones are gonna sound like shit, so you know you can't expect too much. But yeah, there's the iPhone quality. And now we have the audio quality from the Blue Snowball microphone. So now you guys can have an idea when it comes to a professional quality to I'm guessing like mid-range professional, and then of course not professional because the phone cameras are garbage. But you know, you guys get the point. All right, guys. Right now I'm actually heading to the gym, but I wanted to bring this mic along for the ride, just so that way you guys can hear if you were to be using this microphone outside. Right now it's kind of windy, so I don't know if really the windscreen is helping, but it probably is. When I look back at this playback, I'm gonna see for myself. But yeah, I'm definitely gonna. This is how it is. If you're outside with some background noise, cars driving by, people walking past, whatever. So to also let you know, guys, too, don't think that this is gonna drain out any background noise. Certainly, if you're gonna use this, just like if you're gonna use any really good audio source, if it's this or a Blue Snowball microphone, whatever, always want to be in a really quiet environment. That's always just how it's gonna be. That's how to get the best, obviously the best quality, right, in sound, right? But I mean, I don't know. You look, turning on my AC. You can. I don't know if you can hear it. If you can hear it, let me know. But when I do this playback, most likely you will hear it. It's obviously going to be. It still is going to capture a lot of sound, but certainly the direction is going upwards, so that's where it's going to capture it the most. So yeah. So in conclusion, I think this microphone is pretty good. I personally don't know why it was rated only 3.5 stars on Amazon. I mean, the quality sounds fucking dope. I don't know what would be the problem, you know? But I mean, for me, for right now, I think it's going on pretty well. I think it sounds really good afterwards. Gives it a nice, I don't know. I don't know. It just feels like a nice reality vibe with the sound. I don't know. Sometimes when I like to watch reruns of Whose Line Is It Anyway, so sometimes the audio quality there kind of reminds me using this. I don't know, whatever. That's just a random thought. But if you guys are interested, FiFine, I still can't pronounce the name, so I apologize to the company. Cannot pronounce the name, but I'm gonna leave the link in the description. Check this company out. Check this product out. I think you guys may like it. But you just hate it when you're trying to do a video and these fucking fools are playing music so loud outside, like as if they want everybody to fucking hear. I hate living in the ghetto. So guys, that is the end of this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, feel free to give a like. Feel free to subscribe to the channel. And of course, feel free to comment down below. I always answer to all the questions to any of the products I show. So as always, ladies and gentlemen, please take care and be safe.